largest demographic in any organization is actually setting the culture of an organization. And if that's the case, baby boomers have set the culture of the organization for nearly 30 years. And we can see that the mantle of, what are the values, the mores, the things that shaped our beliefs about how you do things, will now pass from baby boomers to millennials. It will not pass from baby boomers to Gen X. And then if you get to 2020, you can begin to see that millennials are by far the leading demographic. So a couple of questions to ask about this. There's not going to be that many Gen Xers behind, and we've asked the question, will there be a bit of a Prince Charles syndrome? In other words, will Prince Charles ever get to be king, or is the mantle going to pass to his children? The same kind of thing could be asked about organizations. As baby boomers exit the workforce from positions of leadership, whether those be managerial leadership or technical leadership, will that mantle pass to Gen X, who's been in holding for 10, 15, 20 years, waiting to get those positions, or will it pass on to the millennials? And if it does pass to the millennials, as we're starting to see in some companies that we're following, they will be put into leadership positions faster than any other generation that is in our history. So we're going to be putting people into key leadership roles a decade earlier than we've thought about it. So when we look at something like the leadership pipeline, which Ram Charan popularized, that kind of counted on 20 years of development to get someone to the degree of being ready. And I don't believe we're going to have that kind